Hi divas and divos, welcome back to Triple D's YouTube channel. This is your nail friend Miranda from Corgi's Wine and Nails. I'll be doing a look for you today, so get a glass of wine and let's do nails. I recently wore this Milky White AcryGel. It's a new product from Triple D, and I was sharing in the Facebook group how fast it was to apply really gorgeous, really natural looking nail extensions using this product, and a bunch of you wanted to see this, so that is what we are going to do today. I'll go over what products you need to get started, so let's go ahead and get into that. I love using the Ultra Bond. It helps with adhesion. You also want gel base and of course the Milky White AcryGel. This particular tool has a brush on the end. You definitely need a little brush to help push around the AcryGel. And then over here on the other side is the slice side. I don't use this very often, but it's definitely handy to have. You'll also want some dual forms. I love the ones that Triple D carries because they are such a nice, elegant, and natural shape. So I've already picked out the sizes that I know fit for me, and I'm showing you here how they look when I am kind of sizing up. I'll get into some details on like how to pick your size, but see how it has a really nice curve to it. That AcryGel product is going to go underneath the form and on top of your nail. You do not want to select a form that you have to squeeze down to fit your nail. You really want it to just rest side to side, or sidewall to sidewall, and you'll let really the AcryGel do the work as far as shaping your nail. So this is a great fit. You'll also want a UV LED lamp. I love this cordless rechargeable one from Triple D. It is my favorite thing in the whole world. And you'll want some rubbing alcohol, and that will help you when you're using your little brush to push around the product. Some clippers are really handy to have, and having a nail file on hand is also recommended so that you can shape after you pop off the dual form. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Ultra Bond to all of my nails. After all the nails have a coat of Ultra Bond on them, then I'll just let that dry for a little bit. So about 30-45 seconds. There's not any exact science, but I just let that go ahead and kind of air dry a little bit. And then I will apply a thin layer of gel base. And now I will cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so this is the fun part. This is so fast. I can do a whole mani in 10-15 minutes tops. I really just love doing this for easy, fast extensions. I just do a little dollop, maybe smaller than a pea size, right at that edge of the form. And then you'll see here, turn the form over, and I'm going to just do one nail for you today, but you'll see the results at the end. I get right above my cuticle, not touching it, but definitely on the nail above my cuticle, and then slowly just kind of press down, and the product will disperse across the nail and start moving up towards the tip of the nail. So then you'll want to have your brush ready with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It's recommended to use 70% or higher. And then Just get a little dollop of alcohol. It helps kind of act as a slip solution. And then I get right to underneath my natural nail, and then gently start pushing the product up along the form very evenly. You don't want it to be lumpy or bumpy or too thin. Just be very gentle and press it up with that brush. It's very, very easy. The product moves along very nicely, and basically just fill in that tip of the form. And once I'm happy with the way that the form is filled in, then I'm just going to hold that finger under my nail lamp. If you have the smaller nail lamp, that's like a little kind of C shape, that one's really handy to have too. I just have my main nail desk lamp out, so I'm gonna work on these nails individually, doing that. After about 10 seconds, I can release holding the form because it's already, solidifying. I do keep the other nails, personally for me, out of the lamp because I did apply gel base and I don't want that to over cure. So I'm kind of just like letting those hang out. But you can choose to work on each nail individually if you like. You didn't have to apply gel all at once if you don't want to. I just like to, while I'm at it, go ahead and do all the nails. But let's take a little sip while we wait for this baby to bake. Cheers to you guys. So now that this has hardened in the lamp, I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it around a little bit, loosen it up. They pop off pretty easy. I'm just being really gentle because I don't want to accidentally, get too aggressive with it. But see, it comes off and it's so nice and smooth. It looks really nice and thin, and it's going to look so good here in a minute when we shape it. If you get just a little bit that kind of squeezes out along the edge of your skin, it comes off really easy, so don't worry. And then when I file and shape and buff and clean up, you'll see it comes off really easy. Don't do it on purpose to get on your skin, but if you get a little bit, it's not the end of the world. And then here I'm just kind of sizing up. How long do I want these? Do I want super long and elegant? That's a cute length. But then I chicken out and I go shorter. I decided just a little bit more is a little bit more practical for me as far as length. And I really like how that looks. So now I grab my trusty crescent shaped file from Triple D. These are my favorite files. I love the Triple D ones specifically. I just think they're so smooth. You can tell how well loved this one is. The logo's already like wearing off because I've just been using it. They last for a long time. I just love them. So I'm just cleaning up around the edges. Filing my sidewalls nice and smooth, getting that square tip shape that I like for coffin shape, but you can form this over into, kind of square shape if you want to go shorter. You can do almonds or stilettos. It's very, very soft and easy to file this down. Since the product is soft, if you're going to wear this as a look, I do recommend that you either do a thin coat of builder gel or definitely a gel top coat on top to add a little bit more strength, because this AcryGel is a little bit of a softer product, and I'm a big klutz, so I bang my nails around a lot. They're kind of easy for me to break if I don't add just a little extra strength. I'm going to dip on top of mine, so I will be adding strength with dip powder on top. But now I'm just gonna buff it, and I personally just always like to buff them nice and smooth, and I feel like it gives a really natural look. But if you do add a gel top coat or builder gel coat on top, then that'll be, your way to make them nice and glossy. The tops are already really, really super smooth. I just want to make sure, like right there along the cuticle line, that everything is just really looks so natural, like it comes out of my nail that way. Now I'm just wiping off with alcohol to clean it off and show you my new nail extension. And I just think it looks so natural. I love this Milky White. I love the way the nail tip looks with the Milky White. It's just so pretty and natural. So I'll go ahead and do all my fingers, and I'll come back and show you the results. And here are the finished results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and comment below what videos you'd like to see next here on the Triple D YouTube channel. Love you. Bye.